Alexander's invasion. Alexander's invasion, also known as Alexander's campaign in India, or the Macedonian invasion of India, refers to the military expedition led by Alexander the Great, the King of Macedon, into the Indian subcontinent. Here is an explanation of Alexander's invasion. Background: in 326 BCE, Alexander embarked on his ambitious campaign to expand his empire. Having conquered Persia, Egypt, and other regions, he set his sights on the eastern territories, including the Indian subcontinent. His invasion aimed to extend his influence and establish his dominance over the Indian kingdoms. Crossing the Hindu Kush, Alexander's army crossed the rugged Hindu Kush mountain range, which marked the western boundary of the Indian subcontinent. The journey presented numerous challenges, including harsh terrain, extreme weather conditions, and resistance from local tribes. However, Alexander's forces overcame these obstacles and entered the region of present-day Afghanistan. Battle of the Hydaspes. One of the most significant engagements of Alexander's invasion was the Battle of the Hydaspes, Jhelum River, in 326 BCE. It was fought between Alexander's forces and the army of King Porus, who ruled the kingdom of Porwa in present-day Punjab, Pakistan. Despite facing a formidable opponent, Alexander's tactics and superior military strategy enabled him to secure victory. King Porus displayed great valor and was ultimately defeated but earned Alexander's respect. Further advances. After the Battle of the Hydaspes, Alexander desired to continue his eastward expansion, but his troops were fatigued and resistant to further campaigns. Additionally, his troops had heard of the size and strength of the Nanda Empire, Magad, ruled by King Dhanananda. Facing opposition from his army and the realization that his troops were not prepared for further conflicts, Alexander decided to turn back and started his return journey. Legacy and impact. Although Alexander's invasion was short-lived and did not result in the establishment of a lasting empire in India, it had significant repercussions. The invasion facilitated cultural exchanges between the Hellenistic world and the Indian subcontinent, leading to the fusion of Greek and Indian ideas in areas such as art, architecture, philosophy, and science. The encounter with Indian kingdoms and the knowledge gained about the region influenced subsequent interactions and trade routes between the Mediterranean and India. In this valley and beyond, after turning back, Alexander's forces traveled along the Indus River, encountering various Indus Valley civilizations and engaging in battles with local tribes. They reached the mouth of the Indus River and established cities, such as Alexandria Bucephalus, named after Alexander's horse Bucephalus, before beginning their journey back to Macedonia. It is worth noting that while Alexander's invasion left a mark on Indian history, it did not result in long-lasting political conquest or significant changes in the political landscape of the Indian subcontinent. However, it served as a precursor to subsequent interactions between the Hellenistic world and India, and it remains an important episode in both Greek and Indian historical narratives.